What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Shelly and this is day 6, Jack's LAMET scene. If you guys are not familiar with Nightmare Before Christmas movie, literally that's like one of my favorite Halloween movies to watch during Halloween or at just any time, because I love Tim Burton and this movie is just really awesome. Also, today's video is a collaboration with my girls Candy and Paris. I will be linking their looks down below and making sure you guys go check them out. And yeah, let's get into the video. If you guys aren't familiar with this scene from Nightmare Before Christmas, this is the scene where Jack is just fed up with being the king of Halloween and doing Halloween every year, and homie's over it. Like, you know, he's real fed up and he just goes over a hill and sings that really famous song. So yeah, which the song is called Jack's LAMET, which is why this piece is called Jack's LAMET, for those who don't know. Anyway, starting off with doing my custom stencils and stuff like that, and we're gonna just jump right into the painting. So right now I'm just doing the outline of the moon with yellow body paint, and then I'm going to fill that in with some white and blend those two together. So now onto the hill. We are just going to detail the shadow part of the hill, and of course I'm just using just black for that, but the rest of the hill is going to be really colorful and stuff. So I'm using different shades of blues and purples, and also a little bit of light blue in there, sometimes white, and I'm literally going to just be blending that all together. I'm just literally speeding up these parts because it's literally just really repetitive and boring. So it's me just going back and forth with darker purples, darker blues, lighter blues, so on and so forth, until I like the way the blend looks. So now I'm going to start on the other hill. So I'm filling in the pumpkins I kind of drew on the smaller hill. I wish I would have drew more, but your girl was lazy. Anyway, so I'm just filling in other like shades of orange that I have on here, like Zero's nose, the orange, the pumpkin I have on the fence there. I also filled in Zero's collar, and I also filled in his mouth and his eye. So now I'm just going to repeat the same thing I did on the bigger hill. I'm just using the same shades, but kind of in different order, and I'm just going to blend them all together. Right now I'm just filling in the sky in between the fences so I don't forget, because I'm famous for filling in stuff and then later on I'm like, oh my god, I forgot to do that, and it looks weird. And at that point, you know, black is really destructive, so at that point if I try to throw brown over it, it's gonna be a big old muddy mess. So I'm doing it before I forget. On to my guy Zero. We're just going to simply fill him in with white body paint, and later on I will show you how I shade him. I actually wanted to challenge myself with a piece like this. It's actually inspired by my girl Thedora I follow on on Twitch and Instagram, and she is a awesome body painter. She's actually one of the first body painters that actually were like, you know, my first body painter friend, I guess, or whatever. And she was like always so nice to me, and when I saw her do a piece like this, I want to recreate it. So yeah, but anyway, I wanted to challenge myself to actually do, like, you know, a mountain or like, you know, some type of scenery type of piece, because I always do usually cartoons I'm really kind of good at, but I wanted to kind of challenge myself this time, and I actually like how it came out, so I'm actually proud of myself on this one. So right now I'm just going to create a glow around our moon here by using dark blue body paint, and I'm just using that to blend the black with the blue really quick, just so it's not such a harsh line. And literally the most satisfying part is filling in the entire background with a solid color. At least to me it is. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just using black body paint to cover the rest of my body up with. So now we are just going to start shading on Zero. I'm just using the Corrupt Shadow from Makeup Geek, and I'm using very light pressure, okay, y'all, because again, Zero's white and we're using a black eyeshadow, and once it's on there, y'all, there's no taking it back unless you want to start all the way over on Zero. To create some stars in the sky, I'm just simply flicking on some white paint all over my body. And to add a little extra glitz and glamour, I'm going to grab my Just Glitter and I'm going to add some of that glitter too. Alright, on to the face, y'all. Y'all already know what it is. I'm using the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm starting off with the shade 10% off from the Morphe palette. And I'm just going to be using windshield wiper motions back and forth. So now I'm just using concealer to cut my crease, and after that I will be using the shade 518, which is this gorgeous orange color. I use this in my haunted house body paint video too. Right now I am using the shade No Beans on a pencil brush, and I'm just hugging the edges of that orange color and making sure I smoke this out really well. So right now, of course, you will see me placing the color down, and then I will be blending out with my previous fluffy brush, and it'll just be a back and forth motion. Alright y'all, so this is the crazy part for me. So if you've been following this channel, you guys know I love me a nice sharp wing liner, but for the spirit of Halloween, we are going to do a jack-o'-lantern liner. Saw this on Shelly Nicole's page, so I got it from her. Hey girl, hey. But this was really hard for me to do, y'all. Like, I was concentrating so hard, but it ended up coming out really, really cute. And of course, we had to make it a pumpkin for Jack the Pumpkin King, so it was very suiting. And then I will be repeating that on the same side. This side was so hard for me, y'all. I kept messing up, and it was really ugly. So I'm only show y'all a little bit because it's embarrassing. So then we are going to add the nose and the mouth to our jack-o'-lantern. So I'm going to include my foundation in this one because the video is actually shorter than I expected. So I'll just let you guys enjoy it, and I will chat with y'all when we get to the next step. Right now I'm adding cork liner from MAC and also a very nude lip gloss, and then boom, that is the final look, y'all. I really enjoyed this look, y'all. Oh my god, I think this is gonna be one of my favorites. I just love how glittery and pretty it is, and also like it's just like one of my favorite scenes from this movie. You guys, if you have been living under a rock and you haven't seen this movie, you have to see Nightmare Before Christmas. Like, that's a classic. How dare you? Anyway, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys. Please let me know by giving me a like and comment down below. Please let me know what's your favorite scene from Nightmare Before Christmas, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.